And I can take freely. Yeah, today's 24th day of our 40 days of faith and action. The topic is prayer for wisdom. The topic is prayer for wisdom. If any of you lacks wisdom, you should ask God, who gives generously to all without finding fault, and it will be given to you. James 1:5. We can read it in King James version. If any of you lack wisdom, let him ask God that giveth to all men liberally and upbraideth not. Upbraideth not means it is like கடிந்து கொள்ளாதவர் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. The God upbraideth not and it shall be given to him. In NIV it shows like finding without finding fault. But here in King James version, upbraideth not. The God who is not upbraideth. Okay. Here the writer explained about his experience. In every fall season in America, in every fall season, the writer and his family, they used to review the object and items in their home, and they will take it as an opportunity, and they used to the take the all the object and review which is unnecessary to them. They used to give the neighborhood, they used to give the family around them. Like in our India, what we used to do, right? If it is old one, we used to burn it, right? In India, uh, then we can call it as a bogey. In January 12th we used to do, right? But in there they used to give the unnecessary things to those who need. They used to give the same way. Every fall season, the family, the writer and his family, they used to do the same thing. In one fall season, when he searched and reviewed everything, the items which is in his home, he saw the plastic storage bin, and he was surprised. What is there? That he opened and everything, he saw the bunch of cap hat, we can say, bunch of hat, which is baseball hat, which is there. Then he thought, I need only one, right? Why this much of cap? Sorry, hat or cap, you can say anything. Hat is there. Why I need 10 kind of different kind of baseball cap? I can give to others, right? Then he thought about the cap. What is there in that cap? See, we have many kind of cap. We are multiple kind of cap, right? We used to use. He was thinking about the cap, multiple kind of cap. In military side, no, they used to wear a military beret. We can say military beret, and the same military person. If we go to any cycling or bicycle riding, he used to wear different kind of cap. For fishing, for hunting, they used to wear a different kind of cap, right? Then he thought, um, as every aspect of our life, we have different kind of role and responsibility, right? Same like cap. The soldiers, they used to wear military beret. The bicycle rider, they used to wear a different kind of helmet for safety. For fishing, they used to wear a different kind of cap, and for hunting, a different kind of cap they used to use. Same like in our day, every aspect of our life, there is a different kind of roles and responsibilities, right? But sometimes what we are here, the writer compares the roles and responsibility with that hat, the cap. Sometimes we are wearing the cap which is not suitable for the circumstances because of our wrong perception of the event or circumstances, we can say, right? Sometimes which is not suitable for us, but still we are wearing, right? While we are swimming, we are wearing the military beret. That is not that is so difficult to swim with that, but still we are wearing. um, Here the writer says many of us have difficulty in choosing the right hat for the right occasion because of our perception of the events sometimes is wrong. That is why we need the help and influence of God. The knowledge we can get from the nature, from teacher, from books. We can get everywhere, but the wisdom we can get only from God. No one will give. No one will give wisdom. The knowledge we can get everywhere, but wisdom only God can give. In James 4:10, it says, "Humble yourself before the Lord, and He will lift you up." Humble yourself, humble yourself before the Lord, and He will lift up. James 4:10, it says. So here, which cap we are going to wear? Whether in swimming we are going to wear military beret, or while bike riding we are going to wear a swimming cap. What we are going to do? Which cap we are going to wear? See, many kind of circumstances, situation are there, but which cap we are going to use? Whatever, no matter whatever the situation, ask God, Lord, give me the wisdom and knowledge to act in that perfect situation or perfect event or perfect circumstances. Only God can give the wisdom and knowledge. Now I'll end up with this one question: which hat we are going to wear? Which cap we are going to wear? Ask yourself. I'll read out the verse again. If any of you lack of wisdom, you should ask God, who gives generously to all without finding fault, and will be given unto you. ஞானத்தில் குறைவுள்ளவன் கேட்க கடவன் அப்படின்னு கடவுள் சொல்றாரு. கேட்போம். We'll ask to God, the God, which God? Who gives generously to all without finding fault. That is the God. Which God? The God who gives generously to all and without any finding any fault to us. We'll ask which hat we are going to wear. Think yourself. May God bless you all. I'll end up this with thank you. Amen.